Hello guys, there is a good news for small channels with 500 to 5000 subscribers and which have been monetized. YouTube has recently introduced a new feature called Hype, which is designed to help small channels grow. However, this new feature is available currently only in 39 countries, including India, Japan, South Korea, US, UK and Australia. The viewers in these eligible countries will be able to see the Hype button below the like button, and when they press this button, we will be earning points that will help us climb to the leaderboard, from where YouTube is going to recommend our channel to a wider audience. But how do you know whether your channel is eligible for this new feature? This is how you can check whether your channel is eligible for this new feature or not. Just open your browser, go to YouTube, then go to your account, then go to YouTube Studio, then go to settings, then go to channel, and from here go to advanced settings tab. From here, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see this option. Let viewers hype my content. By default it is ticked, so if you can see this feature, that means your channel is eligible for this new feature. So you can just request your viewers in eligible countries to hype your content every time you upload it. So by default this is ticked, but if by chance you see it unticked, you can tick this, then you'll be good to go. That's it for today. If you can see the hype button on this video just below the like button, please do not forget to press it and help me boost my channel. Thank you and goodbye.